mentions about an inspection being conducted in 2021, not once, but in several occasions. Page 96, that is annexure 2, it mentions about an inspection, and these are the hotels which have been identified, not yet obtained CFO, not produced the CFO.
I was telling. They are saying I have not obtained. We are saying 60 applications are pending, they are not disposing. That is the whole problem. Question is, if I am... The question is, Milord, whether I am entitled to get it. You may reject it, I don't mind. I can challenge. But do something. You are not issuing the licenses, that is a consent certificate. And you are saying, no, I have not obtained. How can there be two standards, Milord? How can there be two standards? They are saying kindly come to this order, page 131. See, at a glance, whatever, at a glance, if we see this whole thing, at a glance, to prejudice anybody, these facts are very bad for us, no doubt. Read paragraph 2. The rest 120 hotels out of total 143 as so and so lie on the seaward side within CRZ 2 or in the periphery of CRZ 1A and CRZ 1B. Therefore, the operation of this hotel, etc., is not on compliance with the CRZ notification as amended. Kindly mark it this CRZ. Where is that notification so far West Bengal is concerned? When this notification has been made? If the notification has been made, my lord, in 2018, my construction was in 2008, can it be given a retrospective effect? One of the important questions. Nobody is deciding. We are just, everybody is just looking into the top of the fact, finished. Where is that notification? When I have constructed?
Is there a notification?
Now, kindly read this, just I will see. Appropriate action as deemed fit and proper and taken so far CRZ free from encroachment as observed from the hotel operated. However, kindly see now. It may be mentioned 49 hotel out of the 100 had been granted consent to operate. Right. There were 120 you are saying, later on you are coming. No, these 43 have been granted. 49. And what I have submitted to your lords, I have submitted 50 to 60 applications for the consent to operate. Is pending for adjudication for years after years. Am I responsible?
Lordship, only one thing.
Is there the CRZ regulation?
Yes, there is a regulation. It is categorized into 3 zones. Zone subject to correction. I don't, because I don't have the hard copy of the brief subject to correction. That these are the very sensitive zones where it's a where the high tide.
Where is the notification?
I don't have it.
Does it exist in respect of West Bengal?
Yes.
That does.
Check on that.
That's the whole,
now I'm not commenting.
That's the whole problem. CRZ notification after that identification. What is the CRZ 1? What is the CRZ 2? What is the CRZ 3? That work has not been undertaken in the West Bengal.
Very well.
One thing that consent.
Let a comprehensive affidavit comes.
Yes.
Consent to operate comes later part. Whether the hotel can be built or not, that is the primary question to be decided.
I was inquiring as to whether the construction itself is in accordance with law, whether any permission has been corrected. What is the Union of India stand?
Union of India only before taking that point, you are not thinking it page 21, what they have stated. If it is found that it is illegal order, constitution of the committee, they have challenged the Altavirus. They have stated Altavirus. The pair is also there, and they have not made party.
Who has not been made party?
Members, the
Solicitor General.
Ultravirus
section has not been talked about.
Or they are in Milord.
Ultravirus of what?
No, Milord. I'm only submitting the Altavirus. The rules are Altavirus.
Where is that mentioned?
Here, logically, is page 21, middle portion.
Middle portion. Where?
The order dated such and such does not provide for the mandate automatic demolition against Chairman such and so without specific mandate The order without jurisdiction alta vires. The
Order is alta vires.
Alta vires.
Order.
No, the law has not been challenged.
Your lordship, prayer will your kindly see the prayer. Prayer. Prayer E.
Submission is that the CRZ notification is not there. So the question of its ultra-vires.
Specific pleading is there in both the petitions.
So the question of declaring it ultra-vires doesn't arise if it doesn't exist at all.
The instruction is necessary to produce the record, Lord. The question.
Very well, please come. Item number 2 and 3 will be separate orders. Give me the file of item number 3. Item number 2. Item number 2, please take down. The notice dated 11th November 2024, issued by the chairman, district level committee of WBCZMA
Only
and district magistrate and collector Purva Mednipur, directing all stakeholders to demolish and clean the illegal construction within 20th of November 2024 by the hotels / resorts and homestays in Mondarmoni, Purva Mednipur, in terms of the order of the National Green Tribunal in OA number 134/2015/EZ, dated 2nd May 2022, is impugned herein. Stop. Primary contention of the petitioner is that the CRZ notification in respect of the state of West Bengal is yet to be published. Stop. In the absence of the CRZ regulation, the same cannot be identified. Stop. Paragraph. Next contention is that the NGT would not have delegated its authority to adjudicate upon a committee. Stop. Paragraph. Further submission is that the cause of action arose long back, and as per the National Green Tribunal Act 2010, the constructions made by the petitioner could not have been directed to be demolished at such a late stage. Stop. Paragraph. The constitution of the NGT, in passing the order dated 2nd May 2022, has been challenged. Stop. It has been submitted that any order passed by an authority dehoves the provision of law is coram non judice, and no step can be taken in compliance of the same. Paragraph. The matter is yet to be heard. Stop. The parties are to make formal arguments. Stop. As there is an immediate threat of demolition of the construction which are used by the petitioner for running their business. Accordingly, in interim order praying stay of operation of the impugned notice is allowed. Stop. The impugned notice dated 11th November 2024 shall not be given effect to till 13th of December 2024 or until further order, whichever is earlier. Stop. The respondents are directed to file a report with regard to the amendments made in the writ petition by 4th of December and serve copy upon the learned advocate representing the petitioner. List the matter on 10th of December.
But shall we submit a reply to the
Prior to that, you can do it. No difficulty. And one more thing. Leave is granted to the advocate on record of the petitioner to implead Vishnupodo Pakhira as respondent in the instant writ petition and serve copy of the writ petition upon the added respondent. Affidavits of service filed in court is taken on record. ঠিক আছে?